I'm Suzanne. I'm from Mico Cooling. We are an HVAC, refrigeration, and cook line repair company. So since starting with ResQ in 2021, I am thrilled to report that we have done more than $1 million in business with ResQ. Mico does work with several service platforms, but we love ResQ. I think the ease of the platform, the amount of information that's available to us on any given day. We can see how our calls are trending. We can see how our technicians are doing across the board individually. We can see a breakout of how many air conditioning versus refrigeration or maintenance calls we're doing in any given month. Even hear from the customers directly when they give us reviews on how we did our job. ResQ makes it so simple to communicate with our customers. All of the decision makers have access to the information at a glance. If somebody's out, the information is there for them, for whoever's filling in for the day. We can make appointments, confirm appointments, we can upload quotes, and even our invoices at the end of a completion of a job. There's a time savings both for the vendor and the customer in coordinating that service call and knowing that it's in the right hands and somebody has accepted it and will be on site shortly. We do get paid quicker through ResQ, and that's also a key difference in other platforms. With ResQ, we're not chasing customers to get paid on the jobs that we've completed, so it alleviates some office work for us as well. It also helps us on the back end to not have to worry about collections. We're paid automatically 15 days after our invoice is submitted without question. At Mico, we pride ourselves in being good to our people and doing the right thing for our customers. ResQ really helps us do that. It keeps everybody above board. I think it's important for customers to know that the vendors have been vetted. When you place a call, somebody is going to be there. You hear that a lot in the industry of placing a call and nobody showing up, or somebody showing up and then never coming back to fix it. I think it's important for customers to know the level of service that they can expect from the vendors on the ResQ platform. We're definitely poised for growth with ResQ. We are onboarding new techs as we speak and adding new trucks to our fleet in anticipation of growing with ResQ as they continue to grow.